Sabi dito, how would you define female expression, definition of sexual attraction or sexiness in woman's perspective? Now that's where the problem starts. I'm not going to define it in accordance to women's perspective because each and every woman has different kinds of perspective about sexual attraction or sexy. The best thing that we could go here is kunin natin yung meaning niya sa dictionary itself, which is sexually attractive. Next question niya, how could you prove na merong hidden intention ang isang woman na yung seduction ay tinatago nila as confidence? Now, mahirap patunayan yan because yung intent nila towards doon sa ginagawa nila could always change. And how can you prove? Diba? But here's the thing, okay? You could always check yung ginagawa nila if it is seductive, base na rin sa kung ano yung turn-ons ng mga lalaki ngayon, which is more skin. Diba? There's a wide array of studies na nagsasabi na etong mga bagay na to turns women or men on. So if they are doing it most of the time, then why do you think they're doing it? Diba? Either they're seducing you or they're just so stupid that they do not know whatever they're doing is seductive. So, pili na lang kayo dun. Sabi niya, number 3, if you're going to apply your logic, men who dress well or perform confidence to attract women are also disguising seduction. Of course, yes. We are all seducing one another, either toward sexual or ideas or so on and so forth. Diba? Last question niya, I wonder what source says that women acting on that certain way defines modern feminism. Well, look at what they're asking you to do. Diba? Look at what's plausible. Ano yung posible sa kanila? Ano yung pinapayagan nila? Ano yung permissible sa kanila? And doon mo malalaman yung goal ng kung anong grupo man yan. Diba?
This is Pinoy Extreme.